Hello, students, and welcome to week 7 of our class. This week, we explore the all-important topic of forecasting, which is absolutely critical to sustaining supply in order to meet our demand in the future. And we have a couple of objectives. Number one, we're going to identify the basic components of independent demand, and those include average trend, seasonal, and random variation. And then we're going to be creating time series forecast using regression, moving averages, and exponential smoothing. And we're going to apply decomposition to forecast when trend and seasonality is present. Again, this is probably one of the most practical tools that you're going to be using, especially if you work in a sector where operation and supply chain management is your responsibility or that of your team. So I think you're going to find the mathematics and analytical information that you acquire this week to be quite useful. You will be using some Excel, and I give you directions for downloading the data analysis add-in, so you don't have to use that. You can simply use the slope and intercept equations within Excel too. But if you're somebody who would like to have all the various functions that are then available through the data analysis add-in, it's advantageous to go ahead and include it. You have a Connect assignment associated with the analytical processes regarding forecasting that we learn about this week. And the only other deliverable is your research paper. So that is everything for this week. And that's really the bulk of all your work for this class. Now, that doesn't mean we're done. The last thing that you have to do is prepare for your final examination, which will be in Connect. And you have that final week to both prepare then take it. So you'll notice from the course calendar that you can't access that final exam until the end of the 8th week. So I provide you with the review sheet in this week's learning session folder. But if you feel like, gosh, there's so much just to get through chapter 18 and complete my research paper, don't worry. Take a deep breath because you'll be able to study and prepare for the final exam next week. So it's been a pleasure working with you. If you have any questions, send Professor Rook an email. God bless you and happy Easter.